So we have Sam's Club rotisserie chicken already prepared. We just need to cut this up in little pieces and then we'll use that for our chicken quesadilla, and it's very, very easy. Hello guys, this is Kanah Heckman. I'm here today to show you how to make a quick quesadilla with like, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 ingredients. All right. You can see I bought this chicken from Sam's Club. It was like $4.98. It's already baked, or it's a rotisserie chicken, so it's already cooked. So you just buy that. And then I have the tortilla right there. You can get any kind from the grocery store. We have cheddar cheese here. You can use any kind of cheese that you want. And then I have banana peppers there. You don't have to use that if you don't like that. And I have avocado and then a ranch dressing. Normally, sometimes I also put like a chipotle dressing in here or any kind of dressing you can use, all right? So I'm gonna show you how to put this together really quickly. And anybody can make this, and it's so easy and the kids love it. So you have the chicken, it's already been in the refrigerator. So I'm just gonna get the breast out. These are the breasts. I'm just gonna chop this up in little pieces. And you can buy this chicken from anywhere. It's a rotisserie chicken. It's like already baked. So you can just buy it from anywhere. Any grocery store have it. Also too, you can make it if you want to, but it's easier, especially when you are on the run and you just want to make something very quickly. Instead of trying to bake the chicken, you can just already buy already cooked, and it's well seasoned too, so that's a good thing about this chicken. Okay. If you don't like the skin on the chicken, you can take it off, but normally the skin has a lot of seasoning in it. So I usually include the skin with it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut up my avocado because I'm gonna add this to the quesadilla, so I'm just gonna scoop it out. Okay. And I'll put my quesadilla in here. I already got the stove going, so I'm gonna brown it on the side. Alrighty, so it's a little bit hot. I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat down a little. I'm gonna put my cheese in. I'm going to put my chicken in, just a little bit. Then once it warms up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add my ranch dressing. Again, you can use any kind of dressing. Like my husband, sometimes he doesn't like the dressing, so he wants like salsa or something like that. You can do that, but my son kind of likes ranch dressing, so I'll just go ahead and put a little bit on there. So you can put like chipotle sauce or dressing or blue cheese if you like blue cheese. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this banana peppers. I'll just add it to that. Okay, and this is what is kind of interesting, so you got to be very careful, but normally I'll just pick this side up and I'll just fold it over. It's kind of hot. You can use a spatula to just fold it in. So you just move it in the middle. Again, this is really hot, so you gotta be very careful. So you just let it cook for a little, so you can kind of turn brown on the outside. Then I will flip it over. So you see the cheese is melting in there. And then too, if you want to put sour cream in there, you can do that too, or you can just put it outside once it's cooked before you serve it, or whoever is eating it, they can just put sour cream on the outside of it and eat it with that, if you prefer to do that. I'm going to flip it over. See, it's pretty brown. Let's keep it close. Let it cook for a little bit longer so you can just get brown on the outside. If I want it really brown, I can probably turn the heat up a little bit, but I don't really want to burn it, so I'm just going to keep it like that. So that's how it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and cut it up, and then you can see how it looks like. Again, I could have let it brown a lot, but you can see there's a little brown on the outside of it, but I could have let it brown a little bit more, but this is fine. So this one, I'm going to go ahead and add avocado to this. And if the person doesn't like avocado, you don't have to put it on there. But my son loves avocado, so I just put a little bit on there. So you can do that too. And then I'll just go ahead and add the rest of the stuff. This one, I'm going to add let's see, instead of ranch, I'm gonna do blue cheese. So like I said, you can add any kind of dressing on there. So this one I'm gonna add just a little bit of blue cheese, maybe a lot. Okay, and that's enough. This is how it looks like. Maybe go ahead and cut it. See, it looks like that. This one is very crunchy. So it's very easy to make, and you just put it in a plate. I'm gonna cut this other one. So it looks like that. So as you can see, one is pretty brown. The other one is kind of light brown. So it just depends if you want it so brown. You can kind of, you can turn the heat up just a little bit more, or you can turn the heat down a little to make sure it's not as brown as this. So I hope you like this. Again, this is an easy meal to make. All you have to do is just go and buy a rotisserie chicken, and then most of these things you already have in your house. And you get avocado, you can add avocado. If you don't like avocado, you don't have to get avocado. You can just put something else in there. Again, like I said, this is easy to make, and I hope you love it. Thank you for watching our channel. We hope that you subscribe and come back again to see a lot more recipe that we make for our family. Again, like I always say, with 4 kids, it's so hard sometimes to find something that everybody likes. So when you find something that everybody likes, or at least majority of the kids like, you tend to make it more often. Again, thank you again for joining us. We appreciate you, and please come back to see more recipes.